90 million. Now let's jump into TradingView and do a brief analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum. As you can see here at about 10 o'clock UTC, we saw this huge spike up. This one-hour candlestick was nearly a 9% gain. We did see a substantial rejection right here, but then subsequently started climbing back up. 2 hours ago, we did drop down just a little bit, and we are trading sideways right now over the last 2 hours. Now, if you are wondering what this line is, this is the maximum price that we've had on Ethereum since the crash on March 12th. Currently, we are sitting 6.35% above what we were at the bottom on March 12th. Why is this important and why is it relevant? Let's look at Bitcoin really quick. In the exact same hour, Bitcoin only went up 2%, having the same exact motion and spike as Ethereum. So why only a 2% gain? If the market did the exact same move, why didn't we have the same percentage gain? This is the reason I'm so bullish on Ethereum. On the Bitcoin chart, I've also marked up the highest price that we've had since the bottom on March 12th. That level is $10,437. But this gap right here is nearly a 10% gain difference. If Bitcoin were getting the exact same percentage gains as Ethereum, Bitcoin would currently be sitting at $11,000. I'm going to let that sink in for a second. So let's take a look at how much you would have earned if you bought Ethereum at the bottom versus Bitcoin at the bottom and what the current values are now. So for example, if you would have invested at the very bottom of Bitcoin with $10,000 at $3,800, you would have had 2.63 Bitcoins. At the current price of $9,500, you would have $24,985. Congratulations, you've made $15,000. On the other hand, if you would have bought an Ethereum at $89 when it was at its lowest price, with the same $10,000 investment, you would have had 112 Ethereum. At the current price of $264, you would have had $29,550. That's $20,000 versus $15,000. Now you can see why I'm so bullish on Ethereum. You get more percentage gains for the exact same movement. Ethereum not only has more utility, basically everything functional with cryptocurrency, all the blockchains, all the everything, all the dApps, all the DeFi protocols, ERC20 tokens, Ethereum. I understand that the price of Bitcoin is substantially higher than Ethereum, but if you're looking for a place for your money to grow, I think Ethereum's the way to go. I just realized that rhymed. And just because I'm a sucker for Chainlink, I can't resist doing a little bit of technical analysis on it. 7 hours ago, we saw the price spike up above $8, and then we saw a huge price rejection with a lot of selling. Meaning to me, there is a huge amount of sellers here at the $8 mark, causing the price to drop all the way back down to $7.50. And then we had a slow climb up, gaining 50% of the losses that it had 7 hours ago. Cardano also had a huge spike up at the same time that Ethereum did, taking it up from 12 cents to 12.5 cents. And I know that's a small amount of money, but huge percentage gains. It's nearly 5% in like the last, I don't know, 9 hours. Seems like everything is on its way to the moon, so we can all hope that our investments pay off. And if you're wondering why the price of Ethereum jumped up, it's because when I covered in yesterday's article that Ethereum 2.0 is being released on August 4th. News makes money. I'm not sure what's going to happen over the next couple of days. We might see some selling pressure, making the price drop down about 50% of its gains, maybe sitting at around 248, 245. That's just people scalping their profits though. Now on to the news. Co-founder